world where we constantly connected, how safe is our personal information? What would happen if your data fell into the wrong hands? Cybersecurity is the practice of protecting our digital devices and networks from attacks. Digital privacy, on the other hand, is about controlling how our personal data is collected, shared, and used. Did you know that cyber threats are all around us? From phishing scams and malware to social engineering and data breaches. Anyone can be a target, like clicking a link can put your information at risk. In the past year alone, millions of users were affected by cyber attacks. From stolen identities to financial losses, these attacks have serious impacts on real lives. And that's why cybersecurity and digital privacy matter. Here are some simple but powerful ways to protect yourself online. First, create strong, unique password for each account. Use a combination of letters, numbers, and symbols. Next, enable two-factor authentication to add an extra layer of security. Remember, protecting your digital privacy starts with you. Stay informed, stay vigilant, and take control of your online safety today.